term mathematics is a Pythagorean term. He coined the term, the word mathematics. Tarmathemata, the word that he used, means those things which have been learned. Exotericy, acousmaticy, esotericy. Those things which have been learned. Those things which have been learned. He wasn't saying, have you learnt your times table? He was talking about a whole person learning. He was talking about spiritual learning. The roots of mathematics are spiritual, as they are in the Vedas as well. Those things which have been learned. It is important to know that. Those things which have been learned. We think 2 + 2 = written down only came in the 16th, 17th century, and it wasn't general then. The goal of science and mathematics was to understand those things which have been learned. Society's mind. The maths that we learn now is actually very sophisticated, and we don't realise that. It took centuries. The spirit of this time now is a beginning to recognise the limits of that maths and that science. A lot of kind of unpacking. Visual mathematics. Concepts that we've got millennia to develop, whole of the experience, reconnecting Pythagoras, understand life. This paradox of these two different ones are at the essence of spirit maths, experiential maths, the spirituality. The more conscious we come, this perception, we've moved on. How do we understand? Gone through a shift. How do we understand out there? How do we understand? And out there is in us. Mathematical questions, form, process is available to investigate, perceive, etc., etc. Yeah, there's a very big question. A workshop, listening, allowing. When we're born, we don't see material objects. We experience light. Maths is basically our language of structure, of form, of process. Mechanics is applied mathematics. Be open. Perception. There are 5. Perfect solids, or Pythagorean solids, or Platonic solids. 5 of these in 3 dimensions. Complexity theory, freedom and responsibility. A mini workshop called Spirit Maths, Living Maths. Maths is basically metaphor, bodily experience. In Greek times, they recognised that was separate. Questions that arithmetike, logistike, branches of maths, ontological understanding, deep philosophical understanding, lost. Arithmetic as object collection metaphor, discrete, continuous. It's approachable by lay people as well, once you unpack. For example, visually, really, really interesting. And as I've written in the programme, the idea is for people to experience mathematics, that mathematics, mostly the mathematics that we learn in schools, the way we think of mathematics is a dry, abstract, mental subject, but in fact there is the possibility of our experiencing it in our lives, and that's what I'm wanting to do in this workshop, basically, to help people to do that. And in so doing, we'll be moving mathematics on. So, hey, thank you all.